episode of Connor's Corner. I'm gonna be reviewing this toy. It's called Glow in the Dark Play Sand. Let's get this thing open. Oh, and here's my early Connor score. I would give it like 4 because it looks fun on the box. It looks messy. I'm gonna get some scissors from my mom. Be right back. Okay, I'm back and we got this open. Here's some instructions. I don't need that. And this can glow in the dark. But it won't glow in the dark because it's not late enough. And there are these things that you can make shapes with. Wow, this is hard to open. There. So we have this castle-ish thing, a roof of a castle, stairs to a castle, a full castle, a weird castle, pyramid castle, and it said on the box, if it's a little like clumpy, just stir it up a little bit. And wait 1 second. We're gonna do a battle. And I brought 2 Pikachus and let's see if these guys fit. Okay, I'm just gonna do that. Wait. And this is like, I like how if you smoothen it out, when you hit it like that, you can try to make a mark. Ooh, it really does work. That didn't work. And let's see which Pikachu wins. Pikachu's using an attack. Thunderbolt. Come on. Yay. Iron Tail. Okay, so this Pikachu won, I think. It's against Rayquaza. Who will win? Okay, he won. That was easy. Oh, and also, this toy, I would play with it a lot from right now, like that I'm thinking. Maybe at the end it'll change. But right now, I'm pretty sure I would play with it every day. Oh, and it says, it said on the box, whenever you're not playing with it, put it in a bag. And, I'm gonna try this really pyramid one. make it so hard to get the pyramid one out. Like when you dig it in deep. Like then it doesn't look so good. Oh, and the sand feels like mushy-ish. Not like real sand. Like this is like soft. Real sand is like rough. And I love the color of it. It's my favorite color, green. And if you make it really smooth, like you can kind of see like, and then you make a circle in the middle and then you turn it into a Pokeball. It kind of looks like it's a battlefield.
Games by Connor. Games by Connor.
Who can build the best castle? A good field for Pokemon battle. Make this look like Prodigy. Also, to see who can build the best pyramid. Or to see who can make it the smoothest. Who can make the best castles and then smush them the quickest. Who could make this look like a field. Or cover their castles the quickest. Try like, who can stick their castle into the sand and keep it up, upside down, like that. Then like you could try putting the castle one in, then put this one. Then it kind of looks cool. Try like, if you have Pokemon toys at your home, you could like put them in the sand, stick them in. Then you can have your Pokemon, you can have a Pokemon battle. And I would give this my late Connor score 10 because it like the biggest Connor score because it's really fun. 72 hours after I post this video, I'm gonna choose a winner out of a hat. And you have to do two things. One, subscribe to my video, and two, leave a comment down below. See you next time. And also it's very messy. Like, look at my hands. It would be cool if you put this on your face and it would look like you're a zombie. Now see you next time. I'm gonna show you one thing. I'm gonna try to do Papa Dog. That's my best Papa Dog. See you next time.